The Maya of Bhagavan is such that we get entangled in one way or the other. Those who are entangled in their body identification, for them spiritual practice means maintaining health and living long. This is the spiritual practice. Now those who are engaged in activities, for them spiritual practice is go and serve the people, do the samaj seva. That is their spiritual practice. Those who are engaged in upasana, for them spiritual practice is go and pluck the nice flowers and offer it to somebody. And those who are engaged in study, in our Uttar Pradesh, the sa is pronounced with a prefix of e. Study, station, speak, smile. So those who are engaged in studies, for what? For them, what is the problem? So here the teacher says, Nayamatma pravachanena labhyaha. Yesterday we have seen, I am just brushing myself. Ayam atma pravachanena givena na labhya. Ayam atma pravachanena listenena na labhya. Ayam atma pravachanena discussena na labhya. This is what we do. Therefore you have seen, I am not in favor of making groups and make you discuss what you have learned. Then na medhaya, remembering all the mantras and quoting left and right and creating an illusion among the audience. Wow, Babaji knows so much. And na bahuna shrutena. I have heard so many Mahatmas. Then what happened? They failed. I am wherever I am. See? Then yamai vesha vrunute tena labhyaha. He who seeks the truth, he who desires to know the truth, to the exclusion of everything else, to him alone the truth is revealed. Now the question comes. One way you say, Yada sarve pramuchante kama yasya vridishritaha. When all the desires are eliminated, then when the truth is revealed. And here you are telling, when he who had the intense desire to know the truth, to him the truth is revealed. Is it not contradiction? How important. When some disease creating element enters our body, it's an infection, it's a foreign body. To remove that foreign body, we have another foreign body, what we call medicine. So the first foreign body is taken care of by the second foreign body, and thereafter those medicines are also detoxified and eliminated from the body. So what remains is the health. See, this health is not created, it is regained. Health cannot be created. See? Exactly the same way. We have got so many worldly desires with reference to our body, with reference to our relations, with reference to society. And therefore we keep on doing so much. See? Now what is to be done? These desires are negated by desire to know the truth. So first is also desire, second is also desire. But the first desire ties us down in this world. The second desire is antidote so that we are able to withdraw. See, it is something like, what is thinking about God? You cannot think about God because na tatra chakshur gacchati, na vak gacchati, na manaha, na vidmaha. Our sense organs, mind and intellect do not operate in the absolute. Then what is to be done? See? So what is the meaning of thinking about God or desiring to know the truth? It means when you stop desiring anything in this world, you have fulfilled your desire to know the self. Yame Vesha Vrunate Tena Labhya. So we seek nothing in this world. And this is what we experience every day when we sleep. See? That time we live at a zero desire level. Living at zero desire level is like what? Like a flower, whether it is in a garden or in your house or in a forest. The flower doesn't give fragrance to anybody. The flower has fragrance. Those who want, they get it. And if it is not accepted by anybody, it is just lying alone, the flower will not feel bad. See, I wanted to give fragrance to everybody, nobody is coming to me. I wish God has given me legs, I would have gone from house to house and made them miserable. Remember, knowledge is not for giving. Knowledge is meant for practicing. But normally what happens, we go and try to teach others, and it never helps. So, Nayamatma pravachanena medhaya bhavana shrutena na labhya yamai vesha vrunate tena labhya. And when we are thus sincerely, single-pointedly working on this, there is another doubt or problem that may come. That is the most dangerous thing. That is holier than thou. See? Friends, never try to misunderstand that spiritual practice is becoming extraordinary. No. Remove every extra, including fat. See? Then alone the truth is revealed. And for that, the meaning of the mantra is Yamai Vesha Vrunate Tena Labhya. When he decides, the things happen. So, jo thari rahe so mahari rahe. When our desire is in tune with the divine will, there is no failure in life. Wherever there is a failure in life, our desire is contrary to the God's will. See, friends, so all those people who are frustrated because their desires are not fulfilled is only because of this. They imagine that we know better than the Creator. See, friends, therefore, Yamai Vesha Vrunate Tena Labhya Tassesha Atma Vivrunate Tanum Swam.